Hello everyone, Carson here back on New York Times Sudoku. Today is November 29th, 2023. Let's start the hard puzzle for today. Alright, so what have we got? We got these fours pointing into this cell and forcing a 4 into this cell for this box. And then, actually we got a lot of fours. We start off one, oops, sorry. My scroll is a bit not working. Alright, so we got 1, 2, oh my goodness. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fours to start with. Alright, and these fours point down. The cell also sees another 4, so 4 goes here. And the last 4 for the puzzle room. 4s are done, so we don't need to worry about that anymore. And then got these ones, they point up. These ones, and also this one. Put a 1 in one of those two cells. These ones point left. Alright, so we got this kind of T shape, or L shape, or plus shape, or whatever. So in this box, only one whole row and one whole column of cells are left. So for example, these 2s point up, and this whole column sees a 2. So 2 has to go in this row for this box. Actually, 3s, yeah, because of those 3s, 3 is placed here. Alright. Oh, I see something that I didn't mean to see. So, I was thinking about what digits can go in these cells and also for these cells. So this cell, it sees 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, does not see 7 and sees 8, 9. So this is 6 or 7. And these are, okay, this is not 7. And these are 1, 2, 6, 7 only. Then this forms a 1, 2, 6, 7 quadruple. So none of the other digits in the same row can be 1, 2, 6, 7. Actually, 1 is placed here because even better, 2, 6, 7 triple. Only 2, 6, and 7 can go in one of these 3 cells. So they're strictly reserved for 2, 6, and 7. None other digits can go in the same cells. So this is a 1. And same here. These cannot be 2, 6, or 7. They must be placed here, or else there would be a cell left with no digits at all. So that would not be great. That would break the puzzle. And so these 3 cells are for 5, 8, and 9. The cell sees both 5 and 9. So this is an 8. Left with a 5, 9 pair here. And then these 3 are 2, 6, and 7. Sorry, not the 1. These 2s point right. These 8s, they point down. The cell also sees another 8. 8 is placed here for the box. Okay, this 8 points down, with this 8 pointing left. In this box, it must go in row 4, and then these 8s point left. The cell also sees another 8, so it's placed here. And then we got these 8s pointing into the box, that forces 8 into this cell. Okay, wait, I'll be back in a few moments. Alright, I'm back. Apologies, I had to do something real quick, so... Alright, now I'm back. And then we got these 8s pointing into this box. Okay, in row 1, 2, 6, and 7 are the digits that go in the cells. And then these ones, they point down, so they go here. Actually, these are 1, 2, 6, 7, so this is 2, 6, 1, 2, 6, 7. Okay. Okay, this 6, it points right, so in this box, 6 must go in row 9. So these point right to put a 6 in one of these two cells. These 7s point right. Okay, this 9 points right, with this 9 pointing down. In this box, 9 must go in column 9. And then these 9s point down to put a 9 in one of these two cells. Okay, so these two cells cannot be 9 because of these 9s. This cell also can't be 9 because of this 9. So in column 1, the 9 has to go in box 4. So none of these digits can be 9 because the 9s must go here. Okay, so they claim the whole box. Column 4. Column 4. 4 cells left, and the digits that go in the cells are 2, 3, 5, and 6. Well, for some reason, I'm not seeing anything. Oh, right. Because in column 9, both of these cells down here see another 6. So 6 in column 9 must go in one of these 3 cells, and it takes up the whole box, so none of these can be 6, because 6 must go here. This forms a 1, 6, 9 triple. 1, 6, and 9 in this column. It must go in one of these 3 cells, all 3 of them. So 3 digits for 3 cells. They're strictly reserved for them. None other digits can go in the cell, so 2 is actually eliminated from this box, eliminated from this cell, and it is placed here. So it makes this a 2. And then these 2's, they point down. Okay, in row 8, this cell sees 2, this cell sees 2, and this cell sees 2. So in row 8, 2 must go here. That points up. Gets a lot of these done. Alright, I'm just doing this so quickly because of the notes I previously marked, so no matter what, I could have gotten all of these anyway. Jotting down notes just makes the whole makes the whole process faster. Alright. And these 3 cells form a triple of 3, 5, and 7. The 7 points down. So 7 goes here. Makes this cell a 7 because 7 is eliminated from the cell. So the cell, now all other cells in the same box see another 7. So 7 can only go here. And then for the 2, it does the same thing. And then you got these 2's pointing into the box. 2 is placed here. Actually, 2's are done. That was the last 2. After I placed this 2, the cell became the only available cell for 8, and then points up. 8 are done for the whole puzzle. Okay, this can't be 2. Alright. These are for 3 and 5. Okay, these 7s. Force a 7 into this cell for this box. And then these 7s. Force a 7 into this. Okay, 7s are done. Okay, this is a either 3 or 6. Down here, 3 or 6. Okay, well, no. No, that was completely wrong. For the column, this is the last cell, and the digit that goes in the cell is 5. So you can place all of these. Can't place this one though. Okay, in row 5, these 3 cells see another 1. So this is the only available cell for 1 in this row, row 5. Places these, gets these done. Alright. The benefit of taking notes. Alright. 1s are done as well. And then don't think I'll need to explain this because it's just normal Sudoku rules. 3, 5, and 9. This forms a 5-9 pair for the column. In column 2, this is a 5-9 pair. So that eliminates the 9 from this cell. This is these digits. This is a 6, 3, 5, and then 9, 6, and... Alright, so I finished today's New York Times Hard Sudoku puzzle in 11 minutes and 45 seconds, so I'll take that. It's quite a decent run. Yeah, I feel like the trickiest spot was the 169 triple on the right hand side. So in column 9, the 169 triple. And I think in the early game, right off the bat, 267 triple or 1267 quadruple. But 267 triple is more accurate. It's more precise. So that in row 2, I think that can get you somewhere if you do see it. So yeah, and just some other pointing. Just pointing. Find more pairs and triples, and it'll surely get you to the end. Alright, so hopefully you did not find this too difficult. Even if you did, hopefully this hopefully this video helped. So yeah, this was New York Times Hard Sudoku for November 29th, 2023. I'll see you all in tomorrow's Soul. Bye!